When you really think about it, what is a passport? It's not just a little book, right? It's this powerful key that proves who you are, and more importantly, it unlocks the entire world for you. Well, get this. That exact same idea is having a massive digital makeover. And we're going to break down this powerful concept, how your crypto wallet is becoming so much more than a place to stash some coins. And hey, don't just take my word for it. This isn't some science fiction idea for the distant future. It is happening right now. This quote from Eoin Chen, the CEO of Trust Wallet, absolutely nails it. She says identity, payments, and access are all converging in one single place, your digital wallet. That's a huge deal. So let's dive into what that really means for you. So here's how we're going to break it all down. First, we'll tackle that big idea, the wallet as your new digital passport. Then we're going to look at the three huge jobs it does, acting as your payment gateway, your identity hub, and your all-access pass. And finally, we'll tie it all together and see what this means for, well, the future of everything online. All right, first up, let's really unpack this core idea, the wallet as your new digital passport, and what it means to unlock real, true digital freedom. It's actually a pretty simple comparison. Your physical passport proves you're a citizen of a country and lets you cross borders. Well, a digital wallet does the exact same thing, but for the online world. It bundles together who you are, how you pay, and what you can get into, all in one super secure spot that you and only you control. It gives you this incredible new kind of freedom and mobility online, no matter where you are in the world. Okay, so let's dig into that first piece of the puzzle. Wallets as powerful payment gateways. And believe me, this goes way beyond just holding some crypto. We are not talking about some tiny trend for a few tech enthusiasts here. Not at all. The desire for people to actually be in control of their own money and make payments directly, it's just exploding. The data on this shows a massive shift happening right under our noses. How massive? How about this number? 36 million. Yup, 36 million people actively used a mobile crypto wallet in just the last 3 months of 2024. That's a record high, and it's a huge flashing sign that people are actively looking for something better than the old school financial system. So you gotta ask, why the big switch? Well, it's 'cause wallets just offer a way better experience. You can send money across the world securely and privately. You get to skip all those crazy fees and annoying delays you get with traditional banks. And you can do it all without needing a bank to be the middleman. It just works. And the whole experience is getting smoother and smoother. Things like gas abstraction are a perfect example. Now, that sounds super technical, I know, but all it really means is you can pay for transaction fees with whatever token you're already trying to send. You don't have to go out and buy some other special gas token just to make a payment. It makes everything feel way more intuitive, kind of like the easy online payments we're all used to. Okay, on to the second pillar, and this one is a big one, wallets as identity hubs. This is really the heart of the matter when it comes to being in control. You own your data, period. I mean, the way we've done things for decades is kind of wild if you think about it. We just hand over our personal info to hundreds of different companies who store it in these giant centralized databases. They're basically huge, glowing targets for hackers. The wallet model just flips that on its head. Your identity is yours. It's decentralized. You can prove who you are without ever giving away the keys to your kingdom. And this isn't some fantasy. We're talking about putting verified digital versions of your most important documents, your driver's license, your diploma, even your medical records, right into your wallet. A wallet that only you can open. In fact, the EU is already running pilot programs to do exactly this. So, how on earth do you prove you're over 21 without showing your entire driver's license? Well, there's some seriously cool tech called zero-knowledge proofs. It sounds complicated, but the idea is actually simple. It lets you prove a fact, like, yes, I am old enough to enter, without revealing the data that proves it, like your actual birthday. It's a way to get verified while keeping your privacy. It's a total game changer. And all of this brings us perfectly to our third core function, wallets as access passes. Because it just makes sense, right? If your wallet holds your money and your ID, it should also be your key to get into places. So what does this actually look like in the real world? How does your wallet become the key that unlocks all these digital doors for you? Well, the process is actually way simpler and safer than you might think. First, you just connect your wallet to whatever app you're trying to use. Then, you just sign a quick message to prove it's you. And this is the most important part. Your private keys, the things that secure your wallet, never leave your device. Once you're authenticated, bam, you're in. And the kinds of things this unlocks, it's a whole new world. You can get into private communities that are only for people who hold a certain token. You can get first dibs on exclusive NFT drops. You can join new kinds of loyalty programs, play games where you actually own your in-game items, and get shopping experiences that are truly personalized to you. But here's the real superpower, the absolute magic of it all: interoperability. Think about it. Instead of having a different username and password for every single website, you have one single portable wallet that acts as a universal key. It's one digital identity that lets you move seamlessly across hundreds of different apps and digital worlds. So, let's bring this all home. When you combine payments, identity, and access into one single tool that you are in complete control of, well, you create something really powerful. You create the very foundation of digital freedom. And let me be clear, this isn't just for crypto apps. As more and more of our lives go digital, wallet authentication is going to become the new standard. It's set to replace the old, clunky username and password system for any service that actually cares about giving users control and being transparent. There's a quote that just wraps this entire shift up perfectly. The future won't ask for your username. It's going to ask for your signature. And that brings us right back to where we started. Your wallet is no longer just a wallet. It's your credential, your key, your passport to a whole new kind of digital world. So the only question left is, if your wallet is your passport, where are you going to go first?